Alright, welcome everyone. Doing another model kit rather than a marble run this time. The Harbinger Rover. It's evidently solar powered and got a motor in it, so it'll run around out in the sunshine. Let's see. I always lose a piece count. On the 213 pieces, and I think they always put the level on the back. Maybe not. Oh well. I'm not too worried about the level. It's just sort of... I don't think they really means anything on that. It's just sort of there. I think they just make those up. Oh, it's a 3 out of 5. Found it. So this one should be super simple. Maybe. Spend the whole video trying to get the plastic wrap off. That was some tough plastic wrap. Okay. Yeah, there's the solar electric motor. The lights in here aren't bright enough to activate it, but that's cool. No on or off switch, just that. Okay. Got some gears, splines, and drive shaft, and little yellow doodads. Yeah. No wax on this one. Yep. No. Instruction manual. How many? So this is only 16 steps. Well, that is a short one. And alright, come on. And of course, our standard sandpaper. The sandpaper is good if you gotta go around curves and stuff, but I've gotten to where I keep going back and forth the sandpaper and the old emery board, because the emery board's good for straight edges, I've found. Let's see here, is it up there? Let's see which side's up. There we go, side. 1, 2, yeah, only 4 sheets on this one. Lots of gears and tiny pieces. I imagine that's for the wheels. Yeah, all right. There we go. So, what do I have? Okay, CB. Okay. DMB. Okay, let's get them at least in some pretense of order. Okay. Now I'm gonna set things up, get all my pieces ready for the first part, and then we will get to work. Alright. Well, I remember to turn off the camera. Okay, they're going directly into the deep end on this one. The motor gets installed in the first step. That's impressive. I was not expecting that to be on. I figured that'd be like the last thing you did. So, 17 underneath. Oh, put it all the way in before I let go. There it went. They're seated good. And install a gear on the drive shaft, maybe. Okay. Now I know they got the picture of us just pushing down on it. Yep, it's a snug fit, which obviously it has to be. Let's see if I got flashlight in here. Maybe I don't. Where'd it go? I guess I don't have a flashlight in here. Alright. Alright. Okay. And let's see. Like this with the wires coming out towards the back, it says. In there. And take B18 and slide it over the top to secure it in. And B10, making sure you get the decorations on the outside on those, by the way. Focus. Yeah, got some minor decorations up top there. But that also lets you know you're putting it in the right side. Now the tricky part's getting all three of these lined up in place. They're obviously not in. Okay. Alright. Yeah. Got that situated. What are we doing? Put the bottom on. Obviously going to have access to the drive shaft, so the hole goes there. No real decorations on this one. I'm going to put the writing in just for... It's not really aesthetic because it's on the bottom, you wouldn't see it anyway. After doing that U-gears one last time, the thing that I noticed right off the bat, and I'm sure it's just because of this model being so small, is the how thin the wood is and how much easier it is to get off the form. Okay, that's okay. So it slides around a little there, so you can adjust the exit. And then 20 along the back here. All right. Add a little more stability. You can get it to cooperate. Alright. Always worry about those when you got corner pieces like that getting one corner into the next, but that one went in nice. Decorations on you? Nope. So I'm going to use this side. I'm going to put the number down in relation to it, I hope. Turn the page. I think I see where it goes. I want to make sure. Oh, that's not. No. I actually didn't show the part where you put this on, but that's okay. It's pretty obvious. Oh, wait a second. Did I get that upside down? Nope. Yep, I do got it upside down. It's supposed to. The teeth go up. Okay. It forms a fairly solid back on it, which makes sense because you want it to be fairly solid if you're going to roam around Mars with it. That means I put that number on the wrong way, but oh well. Live and learn. Now we put our lattice work in here. I call it lattice. Don't know what else to call that effect. I'm expecting this to be more fragile than the last one, so we're going to be more careful with it. See? Made that bad crunching sound. But it stayed in one piece, so that's the important thing. Pretty sure I cracked it somewhere. I don't see a crack. Okay, and that goes through that middle. And that concludes step 1. Got a pretty good start on the body. I'm going to go ahead and shut her down and start up and do one more step today. Be right back. All right. Got several pieces on this step, but it's not, I don't think I'm excuse me, overly complicated. Okay, so this one, 13 goes on that end, 14 goes on that end. Make sure I'm having all the print work on the outside on all of them. Okay. Oh, jumping the gun here. And 23 goes in the front slot here. Lock it down. 25. Okay, so they sort of arrange those where they're not the printed side. You know, both sides have printed sides showing, so that's cool. And this one, I do the end on that one. And then this one. Goes down. Alright. It's got a little bit of wiggle in it, so you can sort of adjust it. Okay, it actually looks like it's supposed to go according to the picture. Alright. And I would assume we're about to do the same thing again. Let's see here. Oh, I'm missing. Yeah, that's all of them. And B12. This end. 15 here. And 22 on the front. 24 on the second one. Slipped as drink. There you go. I didn't know why. I don't think so. Yeah, I guess it does, please. Yeah, it matches size. Now we'll go over here with this one. H goes on top. There. And there. All the way down. A little wiggle. And then we don't actually install it on this step. Okay. Well, we got it built. Oh, okay, that's going to be, our drive shaft is going to go through there, it looks like. No? This actually, okay, this is just going to be a gauge for to properly install our drive shaft. Okay, that makes sense. The gears on the drive shaft, rather. Okay. Okay, that satisfies me. It's coming together. I didn't realize it'd be hand size. I thought it was gonna be. I didn't think it'd be big, but I thought it'd be, you know, a little bit, probably double the size of what it actually is. But that's okay. Still, I think this will probably actually be better as far as don't require as much power to move. And I did try the flashlight. The flashlight isn't bright enough to make the motor go, so that didn't work out. I did try though. Okay, that's where we're at today. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.